Hey, it's Ashley, Keller Williams Real Estate in Everett here with your monthly market update for North Everett. Stay tuned. All right, so, here's the thing. We have been going into a slowdown, and we've been going into this slowdown now for a couple of months. And I think it's just now kind of hitting, right? So you're going to be excited about these numbers. I think it's going to kind of confirm everything that you've been seeing if you've been watching the market. So let's get to the data. Okay. All right. So here's the data for North Everett. All right. So just as a reminder, we are in August right now, and we're always reviewing back 1 month. All right. So we're going to be looking at what happened last month in July. And last month we had 43 new listings hit the market. Okay. And that was down from last month, but up from last year. Okay. Down from last month, but up from last year. And the average listing price, so this is the asking price, was $577.29. And the sold price was $579,664. Okay, that's interesting. Not much over the asking price there. Okay, and you can see that competition, like the number of buyers that are bidding on a house, has come down significantly. And you can tell this because the amount over the asking price is much lower. So last month, on average, it was about 1% over the asking price. When you compare it to last year, a lot more competition, it was 8% over the asking price. Okay, 8%. So, really I think a really good thing for people that are looking to buy a house, right? You don't have to bid as much over the asking in order to get the house. And that's just super helpful if you've been shopping for a long time. We had 25 pending sales, which was down from last month and last year. We had 27 sold properties, which was also down from last month and last year. And then when we look at something like the month supply of inventory, we see that it's gone up quite a bit. It's up 62.5% since last year. And let me just remind you, the month supply of inventory is the amount of time it would take to sell the houses available right now if we stopped adding inventory. Okay. And, for a while there, because this will kind of like roll us into days on market, but for a while there, it was much quicker. Maybe we had like half a month of inventory. All right, so it's like 2 weeks. So now we have many more weeks. And you can also see that the amount of inventory for sale is up 68% compared to last year. So more options for buyers, which is awesome, right? Because, it hasn't been this way for a while, right? We haven't had those options out there, okay? And then days on market, obviously up. It's at 12 days right now. And I think I predict that will be a little bit higher as we go into August, because I'm seeing the active properties right now. Some of them are, 30 days, 20 days, and all that stuff. So, here's what we're seeing. If the house is priced really well and let's say priced aggressively, right, to sell, what is happening is those homes are spending less time on the market, like a few days. If it's not priced as aggressively, then the house is staying on a whole lot longer. Okay. It's a whole lot longer. So that is the data. Okay, so the market's definitely shifted, right? It's different than it has been, this time last year, right? So this time last year, things are moving a lot faster. Interest rates were much lower, right? So buyers were, incentivized to get out and buy and, shop. Okay. And now because, they're trying to slow down inflation and all that stuff, the interest rate has just been a bit of a deterrent. This market, our market particularly, is very rate sensitive. Okay. So, rates kind of went up. People were like, oh man, I don't know if I can afford to buy a house anymore. Rates literally went down a little bit this week, and then more people are out shopping. It's incredible. Okay. So if you know anybody that's looking to buy or sell a home in Snohomish County or anywhere in the Puget Sound region, please reach out to me. If you have not already, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next month.